Hey, entrepreneurs, marketers, and business builders. Stop. Quick pause. Playful suspense. Before you hire another employee, waste another dollar, or spend one more stressful second managing endless staffing headaches, you've got to watch this. Because today, I'm about to reveal how the smartest businesses on the planet are scaling like wildfire, using the ultimate secret weapon, an AI-powered workforce called SynthStaff. We've all been there. You hire employees, train them, and then boom, vacation days, sick leave, missed calls, and forgotten emails. It's a never-ending battle. Traditional staffing, it's like lighting your money on fire. But guess what? That chaos ends now. Introducing SynthStaff, your new AI-powered dream team. Imagine unlimited employees who never sleep, call in sick, speak every language perfectly, and, wait for it, never ask for a coffee break. SynthStaff isn't just another chatbot or automation tool. Nope, think bigger. It's your fully custom-trained AI-powered digital workforce. Imagine Tony Stark's Iron Man suit, but instead of saving the world, it saves your business. This AI workforce runs 24/7, speaks dozens of languages fluently, handles unlimited emails, texts, calls, and automations, perfectly tailored to your brand and voice. Businesses using SynthStaff have seen insane results, like 84% reduced customer wait times, 50% more leads captured, and get this, over $175,000 saved in just the first month alone. Your competitors are already sweating, probably crying a little, pretends to wipe tears sympathetically. But hey, they had their chance. But we're not just giving you a shiny new AI toy and sending you on your way. Oh no. We're also hooking you up with your exclusive SynthStaff Mastery Blueprint, a step-by-step guide for total automation domination, from instant sales funnels, conversion-driven email campaigns, automated scheduling, intelligent CRM, and analytics that'll blow your mind. This blueprint is your secret weapon to becoming an automation superstar. Playful whisper. Honestly, we probably shouldn't even be sharing it, but you're worth it. Now I hear you wondering, all right, genius, what's the catch? Good news. There isn't one. SynthStaff is just $2,000 a month, flat rate, unlimited everything. No nasty hidden fees. But wait, what about abuse, spam, chaos? We've got your back. Our fair use policy keeps performance flawless and ensures SynthStaff helps you scale smart, not spammy. Playful wink. No matter your industry, real estate, healthcare, insurance, professional services, restaurants, SynthStaff turns operational headaches into high-fiving moments of joy. But why believe me? Why not see it for yourself? Right now, we're offering you, yes, you, a 100% risk-free 5-day trial. Test it, play with it, automate your heart out. No strings attached. Warning though, once you experience SynthStaff, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Friends, let's face it, smart businesses don't just survive, they dominate. With SynthStaff, you're not just automating your business, you're elevating your entire life. It's your time to reclaim freedom, growth, and success beyond your wildest dreams. Stop working harder, start working smarter. Join the SynthStaff revolution today and show your competition how winning is done. Click below to activate your free trial or schedule a personalized demo now. You can contact Dan Stevens, CEO and founder of SynthStaff, anytime. If I'm not around, you can always speak with my specialist, Alicia Giovanna. She is available 24/7 because she gets no sleep. Act now. Shh.